Make this awesome breakfast wreath for your family this holiday season and enjoy. This wreath is filled with sausage, eggs, and cheese and baked to perfection. Look at the layers of cheese. Wow, just perfect.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make breakfast wreaths. This is a fun way to get the family together and have some quality time. Let me show you how. Come on.
Here I have breakfast chicken sausage, but you can use any that you like. Just crumble it so that it cooks quickly and layers evenly. Cook for a minute or two, but don't brown it. I'm using sliced baby bala mushrooms because they are full of flavor, but button mushrooms also work great for this recipe. Cook until wilted. Now for the herbs and seasoning. I have smoked paprika, but regular paprika is also okay. You can substitute the herb seasoning with oregano if you like. Mix and cook for a minute or two. I'm using 2 eggs whipped well. I'm gonna add that to the mixture and cook for a minute, mixing continuously. We want to bind this well to the mixture. Cook on low flame to get the perfect texture. This is what we are looking for. It will cook further while baking. Keep this aside to cool. While that's cooling, let's make the dough. For the dough, we will need all-purpose flour. Season it well and add the leavening. Now, the trick is to add very little water at a time, but make a smooth, soft dough. Keep kneading and work the dough. I'm adding butter to make the dough soft while baking. Keep kneading well and until you get the right texture. This is what we are looking for. We will not rest it but start working on it right away. That's why kneading well is important. Place a parchment paper and press down. Place it on a parchment paper and press down. Cover with another parchment paper and start rolling it evenly into a thin rectangle. Parchment paper will help you roll out evenly. Take your time and roll out in all directions to get an even sheet. Cut the edges slightly to make a proper rectangular shape. Now start layering the cooled mixture evenly on the dough. I'm using white cheddar for this recipe, but pepper jack also works great. Grate as much as your family loves. There is no wrong way to do this. Same goes for the mozzarella cheese. Use as much as your family likes. Now let's start rolling this into a pinwheel and make it into a log shape with the help of the parchment paper. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so do check it out. I have also put related video links for you to try out some of my unique holiday recipes. Now we will bring the edges together to make a wreath shape. Take your time and don't worry, it won't break. Thank you all for your love and support for the channel. Keep it coming and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Secure the edges firmly. You can decorate any way you like. I'm using sliced sweet peppers as my family loves them a lot. Transfer it to a baking tray. We are almost done. Brush with egg whites and sprinkle herb seasoning and the crushed red pepper. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 to 35 minutes. Wow, look how wonderful this looks. We will dust it with Parmesan cheese to give it a snow effect on our wreath. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. Oh wow, the cheese has melted perfectly and it smells amazing. A wonderful way to start your day and celebrate the holidays with your family. Happy holidays!
If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.